Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Marvel's Spider-Man 2 on your Xbox Series S. It's important to understand that Marvel's Spider-Man 2 is a PlayStation 5 exclusive. This means the game was developed specifically for the PlayStation platform and is not directly available on other consoles. We'll explore what this exclusivity entails and what your options are. The reason you cannot directly play Spider-Man 2 on an Xbox Series S is due to platform exclusivity. Insomniac Games, the developer, is owned by Sony, and Sony publishes the game solely for its PlayStation 5 console. This is a common practice in the gaming industry, where first-party studios create games exclusively for their parent company's hardware. Your Xbox Series S simply lacks the native compatibility for these specific plays. If you prefer a more private experience, you can create your own non-dedicated server. This allows up to 4 players to join your game directly. You'll be the host, and your friends can connect to you. This option gives you full control over game settings, like resource gathering rates and creature difficulty. It's perfect for a small group looking to explore Ark at their own pace without external interference. To summarize, Marvel's Spider-Man 2 is a PlayStation 5 exclusive, meaning it cannot be played directly on an Xbox Series S. This is due to the nature of console exclusivity and publisher agreements. While this specific title isn't available, your Xbox Series S provides access to many other incredible games, including various superhero adventures. We hope this explanation clarifies the situation for you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.